Hey friends, if Windows cannot open a JPG file, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So here's the thing. Let's say we have this JPG file here. If this doesn't work, my first workaround would be to open it in a different viewer. So right click on it, select open with and select paint, because it will definitely open with paint since that is also a default photo viewer on Windows. But if this doesn't happen, then you can reset and repair the Photos app. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the apps tab on the list on the left hand side. Select installed apps. Scroll down to the Photos app. Okay. Click on the three dots associated with it. Select advanced options. And then scroll down, click on terminate, click on repair and click on reset to reset it. And then try to open it in the Photos app once again. If this doesn't help either, then uninstall the Photos app and uninstall it completely. Wait till it is uninstalled completely. After that, open the Microsoft Store and search for the word Photos in the Microsoft Store. You can download the Microsoft Photos app and click on Get and install it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.